Hi everyone, we are going to just do a couple of practice problems. If you feel like you already have this down between the two notes that we did already, you're welcome to skip this video, but if you want to watch it, it should be pretty quick. So looking at these two equations, or inequalities, we are going to graph these babies and make sure we totally have this down pat. So we have y is less than or equal to negative 1/2 x plus 6. I'm going to start out by graphing my y-intercept, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, my y-intercept, and then I'm going to graph my slope of negative 1 over 2, down 1 to the right 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 2, and so on all the way up here. Now I have to decide, is this going to be a dashed line or a broken line or a solid line? This is going to be a solid line because we have the equal to. So I'm going to rotate this so I can draw the line because I have to sort of rotate things to be able to draw them well. So it's a solid line, and now I have to ask myself, is this going to shade, are we going to shade below or above? And the less than is telling me that I'm going to shade below. And so I'm just going to shade below, and I'm done. Done. Isn't that amazing? This next one I have to manipulate a little bit. I have 2y is greater than negative 3x minus 4. So I'm going to start out with dividing by 2 on everything. What's nice is I'm dividing by a positive number, so I don't actually have to change my inequality. So I get y is greater than negative 3 over 2x minus 2. And now I can graph this one. So I'm going to graph it in blue because I graphed the other one in purple. My y-intercept is negative 2, 1, 2. My slope is negative 3 over 2, so I'm going to go down 3 to the right 2, down 3 to the right 2. I can also go up 3 to the right 2, up 3 to the right 2, up 3 to the right 2, and up 3 to the right 2, and do that. And then I'm going to now show this is going to be a broken line because it's a less than and not equal to. So it's a broken line. There we go. And then we are going to shade above because this is a greater than sign, so above. And I'm done. Cool? Cool. I'm glad I hope this helped, at least going through a couple of problems so you could see it. You should try your hand at the must-do problems and then take the exit pass when you're ready. Thanks for watching. Bye.